Welcome to AppyQ's Inbox CRM. One of the core features is MetricsHub, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to use it to send data-driven emails quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're sending performance summaries or customer updates, MetricsHub can save you 30 to 90 minutes daily, depending on how many data-driven emails you send. Let's walk through a quick example. I'm composing an update email to elon@x.com, sharing a quick snapshot of revenue performance for the last quarter. Now here's where MetricsHub comes in. Instead of switching tabs or pulling data manually, I can click this small icon here, and MetricsHub loads real-time metrics directly from your connected data sources. You can pull from an existing BI platform like Metabase or Tableau, or alternatively use AppyQ's built-in dashboard to connect to sources like Google Sheets, your CRM, Snowflake, and more. Depending on the size of your data, it typically takes just a few seconds to load. Once the metrics are ready, you'll see them displayed right here, like this revenue growth chart. I usually send this as part of my updates, so I'll simply copy and paste it into the email body. From here, I can add a short narrative. For example, March saw 8.32% net revenue growth, with total revenue touching $12.9 million. A bit of formatting makes it clean and clear. And that's it. You've now crafted a professional, real-time, metrics-powered email right from Gmail using Inbox CRM and MetricsHub. It's fast, consistent, and saves hours every week.